Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, 8 speakers, leather shift knob, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.